Happy Hoarder here, and I'm out jeeping with my husband and my dogs, and I'm stopping at Rolling Hills Ministry, my favorite place to spend $5 on miniatures. So let's go check it out. Today I'm participating in a challenge called Thrift Wars of the Dolls, hosted by Lou of the Real Prince Club. This is an open challenge going on all month, so I encourage you to participate. There is a prize, and thank you, Lou, for hosting it. The first thing I decided to do was check out the jewelry, because sometimes you can find charms that make really great little miniatures. That might be little figures or little animals and things like that. I did find this, which was kind of cool, but I couldn't really figure out how I could use it as a miniature. Then I saw these and I thought, oh, these are so cute. I actually like those. They're really sweet. So the other thing I thought about, well, if not that, why not some really awesome beads? Because I do make some things out of beads, and I wanted to check out what they had. Pins are also another good idea as far as finding little things that look like miniatures. I have just seen some weird stuff that I thought, oh, well, that could work. In fact, I just saw that little lamp, but it's kind of flat. And then that dog and those flowers. So if you're looking for miniatures to go with your dollhouse, check out the jewelry section. I was able to score some fun pieces. Yeah, a jar full of babies, and this cute little soap dish, and this, the soap dish part. And then that little figurine, which is kind of a miniature figurine. I've got my eye on, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get it yet. Look, miniature boulders. And so there's lots of things I'm going through. Good things for me to be keeping my eye out for, obviously, goodie bags. Goodie bags have so much stuff in them. This place was packed that day, by the way. You know, I love my Rolling Hills, but it was seriously packed. So I'm looking at this. It's not really miniature, but I'm like, I could do something in it that's miniature. I'm going to say, if I wasn't on my $5 budget, I would have bought this. But I let it go. I was just like, oh, it was $1.75. You can see the little top of it's broken, so it doesn't hang up anymore. But, you know, it looks cute on the counter, too. So, yeah, here's the goodie bags I'm kind of going through. Just not finding anything. And then you have to budget it accordingly, because typically a goodie bag costs between around $3. These $2.75 to $3.75. So I probably couldn't have done that, but I do kind of like that doll. No, put it back. Yes, I was trying to be good. I really was. And then stick to that $5 budget. Yeah, I didn't realize how long I'd left this on the digging steps, but as you see, Rolling Hills is kind of a hot mess this day, and things are just all mixed up, but it's still worth digging through. And that wallpaper, let me think, no, not even. Sometimes you can trim parts of it off and use it on your dollhouses and stuff. I just don't feel like messing with it. This did come to mind, maybe miniature corn. Yeah. So I threw that in the basket. Yeah, it's more digging through. But miniature frames? Could I do? No, changed my mind. So that was just things that going through my mind as I was sorting, like nothing in here that I needed, but I know you see things you're like, I could use that. I could use that. I know there's a bag that somebody tore open and all the contents are in the bottom. Ugh, it's so frustrating when they do that. Why do people do that? Although I am kind of looking at going, hey, needles. I got so many needles. Needles are another thing. I have a ridiculous number of. Wait a minute. What is this? Hang on a second. Miniature print. I check it out. Throwing that in there too. Now, another good place to source a lot of cool stuff is in these goodie boxes. And these are little things, but I am so not into Easter right now. I still have not put away all my Easter. This is for a challenge, $5 challenge. Oh, okay. Miniatures. Right up my alley, right? Got 40 cents. So this I'm going to repurpose as a table for a Barbie. This piece of wood that I had didn't fit perfectly. I decided to cover it with fabric and call it a little ottoman or stool. I think I'm going to win in the most things that you can buy, because there's a lot of babies in here. So I did get the baby. So that is $1.75. So I have 10 little things of 10, and there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150 tiny babies and a jar. So yeah, I did get the tiny print, the little miniature print for making miniature furniture. And I got this adorable little chair. I think it's supposed to have maybe a plant put in it, but I'm going to put an upholstered seat in it. Not using the fabric, I have some other cute fabric. So that's what I ended up with in my, well, no, wait, one more thing. Took the change from my $5 bill, which was 40 cents, and bought these two things at an estate sale. Thank you, Lou, for hosting this, and thank you all for watching it. And be sure you check out the hashtag below for more videos.